Welcome students. Today our topic of unit 3 is extrusion process. This extrusion process is a process of forcing a metal enclosed in a container to flow through the opening of a die. The metal is subjected to plastic deformation. Metal undergoes reduction and elongation during the extrusion. Extrusion is used to manufacture rod, tube, variety of circular, rectangular, hexagon and other shape both in solid and hollow form. Channel I, Z, T and other sections. Extrusion may be done hot as well as cold. The extrusion press has three major components. First is container, second is die, and third is the ram. The different method of extrusion discussed below. First is extrusion equipments. In extrusion equipment, we use hydraulic machines, hydraulic presses, as shown in this figure. Also, these presses are suitable for extrusion because the stroke and speed of the operation can be controlled depending on particular application. They are capable of applying a constant force over a long stroke. Consequently, the long blade can be used. Long blade can be used correspondingly larger extrusion production per step and production rate thus increase. Hydraulic press with a ram force capacity as high as 120 mn have been built, particularly for hot extrusion of a large diameter blade. Vertical press typically are used for cold extrusion. The generally have less capacity than those used for hot extrusion, but they take up less floor space. In addition to such press, crank joint, knuckle joint, mechanical press are used for cold extrusion and for impact extrusion to mass produce small component. Multi-stage operation, where the cross-section area is reduced in the number of individual operations, are carried out on special design presses. Now the metal which is used in extrusion process is aluminium is the most commonly extruded material. Aluminum can be hot or cold extruded. If it is not extruded in heat 575 to 1100 Fahrenheit, the example of product included profile for track frames, rails, mullions and heat sinks. Now second metal is brass, is used to extrude corrosion free rod, automobile part, pipe, fitting, engineering parts. Copper, pipe, wire, rod, bars, tubes, welding electrodes. Often more 690 megapascal is required to extrude copper. The lead and tin, pipes, wires, tubes and cable sheeting. Molten lead may be used in place of billet on vertical extrusion process. Magnesium 575 to 1100 degree Fahrenheit or 300 to 600 degree centigrade aircraft parts and nuclear industry parts. It is a very important. Magnesium is about extrudable as aluminium. Now move to zinc. Zinc melted to 200 to 350 degree centigrade. Rods, bar, tubes, hardware, component, fitting and handrails also made by zinc. Steel, it is a more usable material which we see in our surrounding. We make rods, tracks. Usually plain carbon steel is extruded, but alloy steel and stainless steel can also be extruded. Titanium, aircraft component including seat track, engine rings and other structural parts. Magnesium and aluminium alloy usually have 0.75 micrometer RMS or billet surface finish. Titanium and steel can be achieved 3 microns. Plastic, it is the mostly extruded material, plastic, we see in our surrounding, or any product we purchase from market which is made from plastic, in some part. If we purchase a bike or car or chairs, we see the plastic materials. Plastic extrusion commonly use plastic chips, pellets, which are usually dried or drive out moisture. In hopper, as you see in this figure, a hopper where we put plastic chips which is melted and now moved to this barrel. With the help of a screw drive motor, we inject this or forcefully inject to in this die and occur the shape. That is plastic extrusion process. Now ceramics like bricks or beams also make with this process. Extrusion is widely used in production of tube and hollow pipes. Aluminum extrusion used in structure work in many industries. This process is used to produce frames, doors, window, etc. in automotive industries. Extrusion is widely used to produce plastic objects. That is extrusion process, which is this is the introduction of extrusion process. Thank you.